Welcome, friends. Today is March 24th, 2021. Next to number 1, we are going to make a prediction about the time on the clock. Again, we are looking at Wednesday, March 24th. Today, you are making a prediction for this card. Press pause while you make your prediction. Next to number 2, you are going to draw the clock on the back of this card. Alrighty, friends, you are going to draw 3 o'clock p.m. on number 2. Press pause if you need more time to do that. 3, you are going to draw a coin collection for 38 cents. Write an equation to match the collection. Press pause if you need more time. For number 4, we've now been in school for 109 days. Please write an addition equation that equals 109, a subtraction equation that equals 109, coins that have a value of $1.09, the 100 block, 10 sticks, and 1 blocks. Press pause if you need more time. For number 5, you are going to write 2 equations, and then you're going to put an equal or unequal sign in between them. Please press pause if you need more time to do this. Next to number 6, I apologize, I was on the wrong page. To number 6, you are working on page 41 and 42 in your workbook. Alright, so on page 41 it says at 8 o'clock Danny gets on the bus. Circle the clock that says 8 o'clock. Number 2, at 10 o'clock Danny's class goes to recess. Circle the clock that says 10 o'clock. Number 3, at 11:30 Danny's class does math. Circle the clock that says 11:30. Next to number 4, it says at 12:30 Danny's class goes to lunch. Circle the clock that says 12:30. Number 5, at 1 o'clock Danny's class has story time. Circle the clock that says 1 o'clock. Now you are working on page 42. You are going to match the clocks that show the same time. Have a great afternoon, friends.